Hello and welcome to R Tipsters Hub, where we learn a tip about R programming every day. If you're new to this video, please like, share, and subscribe. If you saw my other video, we had an introduction to Boolean operators, and we saw that Boolean operators are like the traffic signals of your programming, and they tell you if something is true and false, and they're very useful when looking at conditions. So we looked at the conditions, saying someone has an age of 20, and then checking if they're an adult, and then also checking if they are a child. So today we're going to look at the AND operator. Which basically tries to see if you combine two conditions, if they are both true. So we are checking if the two conditions are true. Then we can say, let's say Z equals to 5, and then M equals to 10. So we want to check the following conditions. We want to check if, let's just store it in an object. We want to check if Z is greater than 5, and so we use the AND symbol. M is less than 15. So from the values, we see that it is not, Z is equals to 5, so Z cannot be equal to, no, Z cannot be greater than 5, and then M is 10, so M is also less than 15. So this part of the statement is false, this part of the statement is true. But let's just confirm and see how that works. Result. So if we run this, no, let me run, okay, like that. Yes, we see that it's false, and it's false because this part of the statement here, Z being greater than 5, is not true, because we said that Z is Z is equals to 5. We can check second condition. So let's check part 2. So check result 2, where Z is greater than 3, and then M being less than 15. So here we see for both of the conditions they are true. Let's see what the result gives us. The answer is true, so it means that indeed it's true that Z is greater than 3 and M is also less than 15. So this is how we can check two conditions using the AND operator. Sometimes you might want to have a little bit more complex conditions. So let's say more complex conditions. And we're combining multiple conditions. So we say temperature is 28. So the temperature today is 28 degrees. And then we want to see if it's summer. True. So we have those two. Let's run those. Enter. And then we check if temperature is greater than 25 and if it's summer. And if we print the result, so temperature is greater than 25, that's true, and also its summer is true. So combination of two trues gives you let me run this. Is summer run? Yes, print is at 3. Sorry. So if we run this, we see that the result is true. So the basic law here is two trues equals to true, and any other two falses equals to a false, and any other combination of true and false also results into a false. So that's how to use the AND operator, and it's very handy when you need multiple conditions to be true for something to happen. Thank you for watching this video. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next video where we are going to look at the OR operator. Thank you and bye-bye.